ROE is an enterprise specialized in high-end LED solutions that are used in order to construct large-scale displays, such as the ones you see on concerts or conferences. With RO, abac has worked for the construction of Codename Nanjing. From a conceptual standpoint, the goal was to manufacture an intuitive application that video engineers could use in order to correctly set up the LED panels that would make up a large screen display. The application itself would run on a graphical processor and would allow engineers to access it if they join the processor's own Wi-Fi network. Technically speaking, the challenge was to collaborate in providing custom software development services for developing a multi-actor software system composed of a SPA and a set of reactive non-blocking APIs that would be installed onto the processor as part of an OS seed image. The overall complexity for the solution has expanded from the challenge of having a high-performance application running on a low-resource environment to a cloud-based solution that would allow engineers to back up and restore processor states and to distribute them remotely to hardware units. As a result, the application has reached its MVP in a period of 7 months and has been tested in integration with manufactured hardware. Due to corporate reprioritization, the project was put on hold.